Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones JBL Vibe Flex to the application. So firstly we should pair the headphones with the phone, and if you did it, just go to the step 2. Now open the settings, go to Bluetooth, then open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. It should enter to prank mode automatically. And now we can see it by the this blinking LED light. Now click on it at the device list. Now hide the settings. Step 2. Open the application. And right here, as you can see, it finds it automatically, the headphones. So just click get started. Done. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!